Hello everyone, welcome to Rajeshwari's Commerce and Management Study Hub. I am Rajeshwari here. We have started solving advanced accounting concept we have understood. Then we have solved the previous year question paper question also. Today we are solving one of the question from 2019, that is from the following trial balance and additional information relating to Lakshmi Bank Limited, prepare profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2019 and balance sheet as on that date in prescribed format. Here, trial balance is given. I already said, always remember, see, this is one of the easiest chapter. See, because of preparation of schedules, if you think it is difficult, if you skip, you will lose your marks. So that is why practice well. Only this requires practice. Okay, share capital is given. Debit side, whatever it is given, that will be comes under asset side and expenses. Credit side, whatever it is given, that comes under liabilities and incomes. This you remember. Okay. Share capital, statutory reserve fund, cash on hand, borrowing from State Bank of India, fixed and recurring deposit, current account, saving bank deposit, interest and discount received, buildings, safe locker and furniture, commission and exchange, profit on sale of investment, locker rent, transfer fee, interest on deposit, operating expenses, stamps on hand, bills discounted, loans cash credit and overdraft, government securities, computer counting machines and printers, cash at bank, pension fund. Additional information is provide rupees 12,000 for rebate on bills discounted. Provision required for doubtful debt 25,000. A claim of 15,000 for bonus to a clerk is pending award. Interest accrued on government securities rupees 5,000. These are the additional information. Here, you need to prepare two accounts, profit and loss account, then balance sheet. So, instead of preparing schedule number 1 to 16, first prepare 13, 14, 15, 16 because 13 starts from the profit and loss account. You need to show the profit whatever carry forwarded for the next year in the reserve and surplus. For that, you need to prepare the profit and loss account first. So let us prepare the profit and loss account schedules first. What is the schedule number starting? Schedule number 13. Schedule number 13 is interest, interest and discount. There are two types of interest, right? One is interest received and another one is interest paid. This 13 comes under income. So, this is interest received. Okay. Interest received. Let us see in the trial balance. In the trial balance, if you see, interest and discount received is given. Sometimes only interest and discount they will give, credit side they will give. You should understand it is received. Okay. 7,15,000 interest and discount received 7,15,000. For this interest and discount received, you have an adjustment. What is the adjustment? Provide 12,000 for rebate on bills discounted. So whatever rebate you have given on bills discounted, that should be deducted. This should be treated twice. One under the profit and loss account, another time in the balance sheet. I will show you how to treat it. Okay. Rebate 12,000 you should deduct from 7,15,000. It is 7,15,000 3,000. Now, any other interest received income is there? Check. You can see there is a interest accrued on government securities. What do you mean by accrued? Accrued means already interest has been paid, but you have not received. So this should be added. Add interest accrued. Interest accrued 5,000. Any other interest? No. So what is the total? 7 lakh 8,000 is the total interest and discount received. Schedule number 13. Then schedule number 14, again it is related to the income, that is other income. Other income. What do you mean by other income? Some of the agency functions the bank will perform, no? That will be considered as an other income. Other than the normal functions, main functions, whatever the secondary functions bank will perform, no? That will be called as the other income. Here you can see commission and exchange is there. Commission and exchange, which side it is given? Credit side it is given. So, it is an other income to the bank. Then, profit on sale of investment is there. Locker rent is an income to the bank. Then, transfer fee is an income to the bank. So, all these four we are recording under the other income. Okay. Commission, exchange. Commission exchange is how much? It is 30,000. Then profit on sale of investment 10,000. Then transfer fee 3,000. Interest, locker rent is 3,000. Transfer fee is 2,000. All four we have recorded. What is the total? 45,000. Okay. Then next, after schedule number 14, schedule number 15. Interest. 15 shows under expenditure. So interest expanded. Now here you can see interest on deposits is there. It is an expense to the bank. Here you can see it is given under which side? Debit side. 1,55,000. No other interest, only one interest is there. Interest on deposit. Interest on deposits. 1,55,000. Total is 1,55,000. Then schedule number 16. 16 is operating expenses. You can see operating expenses, it is given. Operating expenses is how much? 4 lakh. Total it is given expense. Operating expenses 4 lakh. 4 lakh. Then we don't have schedule number, but we have the heading provisions and contingencies. Under provision and contingencies, you can see what are the provision is there. Here we have provision required for doubtful debt. Provision on doubtful debt. Amount is, what is the amount? 25,000. And one more expense is there. That is a claim of 15,000 for bonus to a clerk is pending award. This is, see, this is an outstanding expense to a clerk you need to pay. So bank, it is an expense. So it should be shown under operating expenses. Outstanding expenses of clerk, 15,000. Total will be 4,15,000. 4,15,000. Because see, it is given in the adjustment, so you have to treat it twice. First we are treating under the profit and loss account under operating expenses. Operating expenses is 4 lakh. Outstanding expenses of the clerk, it is given in the adjustment, that is 15,000. Total it is 4 lakh 15,000. Provision on doubtful debt, only one it is there, it is 25,000. Any other provision is there? Check once again. There is no other provisions. So let us prepare the profit and loss account. Profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2019. Particulars, schedule number, amount. Okay. Particulars, schedule number, amount. Now, first, income. Income. Under income, schedule number 13. What is schedule number 13? Interest and discount. Interest and discount, schedule number 13. You can see it is 7,08,000. 7,08,000. Then other income. Other income, schedule number 14. It is 45,000. 45,000. What is the total? 7,08,000 plus 45,000. It is 7,53,000 is the total income. This is called as total A. Now second one, it is expenditure. Expenditure. Under expenditure, schedule number 15. Interest. Interest expanded. Schedule number 15. Already we have prepared. What is the amount? Schedule number 15. 1,55,000. 1,55,000. Then schedule number 16. Operating expenses. Operating expenses is schedule number 16. 4,15,000. 4,15,000. Then provision and contingencies. Contingencies. Under provision and contingencies, we have provision on doubtful debt. Doubtful debt. It is 25,000. Now what is the total expenses? This will be called as total B. Total B is 1,55,000, 4,15,000, 25,000, 5,95,000. 5,95,000 is total B. Now we have profit for the current year. Profit for the current year is from your total A minus B. Income minus expenses 7,53,000 minus 5,95,000. 1,58,000. Now you should check, is there any brought forward profit from the previous year? There is no profit from the previous year. So you are not adding anything. Then we have, this is our net profit for the current year. Appropriation. 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 First you need to give statutory reserve. Statutory reserve. 25%. 25% on 1,58,000 into 25%. 1,58,000 into 25% is 39,500. 39,500 is the statutory reserve. There is no other adjustments. Your total should come 1,58,000. What is the profit transferred to balance sheet? From 1,58,000 minus 39,500. It is 1,18,500. This amount we are showing in the reserve and surplus. Both the amount 39,500 and 1,18,500. So we are done with the profit and loss account. We have taken income 13, schedule number 13, interest and discount total, then other income total A, it is called, then expenditure schedule number 15, 16 and provision and contingencies is called as total B. Now profit for the current year A minus B, and from that amount we have given the appropriations. Appropriation, our first appropriation is statutory reserve, 25% on the profit whatever you have calculated. Then profit transferred to the balance sheet is the balancing figure from your net profit. Okay. Now let us prepare the schedules for the balance sheet. So what is the schedule number 1? Share capital. Share capital. Share capital is how much? It is 10 lakh. Share capital. There is no adjustments for the share capital. So 10 lakh is the total. Then schedule number 2 is reserve and surplus. Reserve and surplus, we have statutory reserve. Statutory reserve. Reserve 5 lakh. Add statutory reserve from profit and loss account. Transfer, that is 39,500. Then we have surplus 1 lakh. What is the amount? 1,18,500. Any other reserve is there? Check once. Any other reserves? No. There is no amount in the adjustment. Only we have these three. Add. Total 5 lakh 39,500 plus 1,18,500. 6 lakh 58,000. Now schedule number 3. 3 is deposit. Deposits. So what are the deposits we have? We have fixed and recurring deposit, current account, saving bank deposit. Okay, fixed and recurring deposit 7 lakh. Then saving bank current account is there. Current account 3 lakh 50. Saving bank deposit 4 lakh 50. Total deposits. Total deposits is 7 lakh, 3 lakh 50, 4 lakh 50. 15 lakh. 15 lakh is total deposit. Then schedule number 4, borrowings. Borrowings. What are the borrowings? Any borrowings? Yes, we have. Borrowing from State Bank of India 3 lakh. Borrowing from SBI. It is 3 lakh. 3 lakh. Then schedule number 5, other liabilities and provision. Other liabilities and provisions. Here, see, provision for doubtful debt you have showed in the profit and loss account, right? Provision for doubtful debt. Now here you need to show it under other liabilities. You can't show it under share capital, reserve and surplus, deposits, borrowing. So you need to show it under the other liabilities and provisions. Okay. Provision for doubtful debt is 25,000. And you can see here rebate on bills discounted we have shown in the income, right? Interest and discount. Again you need to show it under the provision and rebate. Provision, other liabilities and provision 12,000. You need to treat it twice. You can't show it under all these other heads. So it is a liability. So you are showing under the other liabilities and provisions 12,000. And one more adjustment is there. That is in trial balance. If it is given in trial balance, treated once. If it is given in adjustment, you need to treat it twice. Now pension fund. Pension fund also comes under, it is a liability, right? You are paying to your employees. Pension fund 50,000. Total 25,000 plus 12,000 plus 50,000. 87,000. Any other adjustments is there? We have one more adjustment in the adjustment. That is, what is that? 5,000. We need to pay to the clerk. A claim of 15,000 bonus to a clerk. It is outstanding. Outstanding expense to clerk. Clerk 15,000 plus 15,000. It is 1 lakh 2,000. 1 lakh 2,000. Then schedule number 6 starts from the asset. What is 6? Schedule number 6 is cash in hand and with RBI. Cash in hand with RBI. Cash in hand. On hand it is 3 lakh. Okay. Cash on hand. What is the amount? 3 lakh. No other adjustments. Then we have schedule number 7. That is cash with other bank, and money at call and short notice. Money at call and short notice. Cash in hand and with RBI, cash on hand it is 3 lakh. Then schedule number 7, cash with other bank, money at call, short notice. You can see money at call, short notice is not there, but cash at bank is there. That you need to record under schedule number 7. Cash at bank. It is 1,50,000. No other adjustment. Then schedule number 8. Investment. Investment. You can see investment is there. Investment. Government securities. That is called as investment. Government securities. 8 lakh. No other adjustments. Then schedule number 9. Advances. Under advances, we have loan. You can see where is loan, cash credit and overdraft. 11,92,000. Here, loans, cash credit and overdraft. 11,92,000. Then bills discounted is there, that is 1,50,000. Bills discounted 1,50,000. Total it will come 13,42,000. 13,42,000. Then schedule number 10, fixed asset. Fixed assets, you can see building is there. Building 3 lakh. Building 3 lakh. And with the building, we have safe, locker and furniture. It is also asset. 2,60,000. Safe, locker. For bank, it is an asset. Furniture. 2,60,000. Then we have computer counting machines and printers is an asset. 4 lakh. Computer counting machine and printer. 4 lakh. It is 4 plus 3, 7, 8, 9, 9 lakh 60,000. 9 lakh 60,000. Then schedule number 11, other assets. Other assets. Now you can see under other assets, stamps on hand is there. No, it is an other asset to the bank. Only stamps, if it is given, you are taking under expense. It will be an expense. But whenever it is given stamps on hand, it is an other asset to the bank. Stamps on hand 3,000. Then interest accrued is there now on government securities. It is an other asset. Interest accrued 5,000. We have treated twice, right? 8,000. Then schedule number 12, contingent liabilities. No contingent liabilities. Done. Now let us prepare the balance sheet. Balance sheet of Sheet of, what is the bank name? Lakshmi Bank Limited, for the year end 31st March 2019. Particulars, schedule number, amount. First you need to take share capital and liabilities and liabilities. Okay. So what is the schedule number 1? Share capital. Share capital. Schedule number 1, 10 lakh. Then schedule number 2. Now after preparing the schedules, it is very easy. Just you are transferring reserves and surplus 6 lakh 58,000. Then schedule number 3, deposits 1, 2, 3, 15 lakh. Then schedule number 4, borrowings. Borrowings, schedule number 4. It is 3 lakh. Schedule number 5, other liabilities and provisions. Schedule number 5. Total is 1 lakh 2,000. What is the total? The total is 10 lakh plus 6 lakh 58,000, 15 lakh, 3 lakh, 1 lakh 2,000. 3 lakh 56,000. We have recorded all the items. Check once again. It is 35 lakh 60,000. Same we should get in the asset also. This is total. 2 is assets. Assets. Schedule number 6 is cash in hand with RBI. 6. It is 3 lakh. 3 lakh. Then cash with other bank and money at call and short notice. Schedule number 7, 1 lakh 50,000. Then schedule number 8, investment 8 lakh. Schedule number 9, advances 9, 13 lakh 42,000. Schedule number 10, fixed asset 10, 9 lakh 60,000. Then schedule number 11, other assets 8,000. Total. Let us check the total. 3 lakh, 1 lakh 50,000, 8 lakh, 13 lakh 42,000, 9 lakh 60,000, 8,000, 35 lakh 60,000. Tallied, right? Total 35 lakh 60, 35 lakh 60. That's it. See how easy it is. Only thing is you need to understand all the schedules. Understand and you need to remember it. How you will remember? Like first one means share capital. For every company, capital is most important. So you need to have a capital. Then you need to have some savings as a backup, that is reserves. For bank, what is the main sources? deposits whatever they will receive, that will be sources. So deposits will come under 3, and whatever they are borrowing from other banks, that is schedule number 4. This is also one of the sources. And other liabilities whatever due to the others will be recorded. The other liabilities and provisions will be recorded under schedule number 5. Then with your liability side, then come to the asset side. Asset, cash is most important, that is your first asset. Cash in hand with RBI, and same cash with other bank. Then you need to see what is your investments, right? Then advances whatever loans you have provided, bills discounted, that will be your advance whatever you have received. You need to have an asset, fixed asset, that is schedule number 10. Then 11 is other asset. Then contingent liabilities, that's it. You are done with the balance sheet. So you are preparing the balance sheet. First you are preparing share capital and liabilities. 1 to 5 comes under liability side, and 6 to 11 comes under asset side. You need to tally it. I hope you all understood. Thank you for watching. Practice makes man perfect, so practice more. And whenever you are watching the video, try to solve with me. Have a question. That is why I will read the question slowly for your understanding. Always remember, when you are solving any problem, you need to understand the question first. Where you will make mistake, no, in hurry burry, you will start without reading the question. Don't do that. Read the question properly. Understand the question. Your half of the solution will be done when you are understanding the question. So that is why read the question slowly. Okay. Then try to solve this question while watching this video. In any other questions you have doubt, anything it is there, please comment in the comment section. I'll try to sort out that. Thank you. Have a great day.